back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Let's talk about the Matchbox Aqua King, one of those unique diecast trucks that really catch my eye. This release is a part of the Matchbox long history of unique and cool models, and it's definitely one to add to your collection. The Matchbox Aqua King is a vintage inspired rescue vehicle that combines the ruggedness of the off road truck with the versatility needed for the aquatic rescue mission. The color is often a mix of indigo with blue, tint windows, metal body, and the plastic base. Green water bottle, cargo, and the Kingston pub. That really making it stand out. So if you are looking for the unique addition to your collection, Matchbox Aqua King is definitely worth checking out. Let me know your thoughts on the diecast. Do you like the look of the Aqua King? Drop your comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diecast fun. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.